Here goes.
Goodbye. Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Carson, look up! Look up! Oh my god, there it goes, guys! There goes the fucking rocket! Woo! Watch it come down and kill all you guys. Too bad you didn't have a gun, you can murk everyone standing there.
Look at everyone looking up.
Start pickaxing everybody.
I got one. Oh shit, now they're coming after me.
Where's it landing though?
That's what we gotta find out. We got people watching everywhere.
Whoa, whoa, it's going down. Where's it going down?
It's all the way up there, you see it?
Yep. Oh no. It's going towards Moisty. It's going towards Moisty.
That's it.
Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back down. It's going towards Tilted. Oh no. It's going towards Tilted. They're taking away Tilted. Whoa, that didn't hit Tilted. That hit Moisty.
Well, didn't. That's on Tilted.
Oh my god.
Fuck the rock.
Look at the guy made the base up there watching it.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yup, Tilted's bye-bye. Holy shit. Like, oh my god, dude.
Everyone's running everywhere. This is crazy, dude.
Where is it? I want it.
Whoa! Oh my god. This is crazy. Should have Facebook Lived it. Look at the sky, bro. Go get a gun.
I don't have any.
No one has guns now. No one has any loot.
Oh shit.
That guy's gonna be a douche. That guy's gonna be the douche to kill everybody.
Team.